Hello, welcome to the Fortress Framing Evolution Preferred Builders webinar. After the webinar, you will see there will be questions that you can fill out, but let's begin now. Fortress Evolution Framing is a smarter steel framing system designed by builders for deck builders. It's part of one of our many brands we have at Fortress Building Products. It's our latest brand. Fortress Building Products has 16 years of industry experience, and it's an outdoor category leader. You probably are familiar with our fence, railing, deck, and Osco decorative building materials then and now. We've relied on wood construction for centuries, for bridges, oil derricks, and even warships. Once we learned to work with steel, however, builders abandoned many wood structures in favor of durable steel. Today, leading deck builders around the world are choosing sustainable steel over old-fashioned wood framing. The industry then and now. The composite synthetic decking adoption has reached about 40% of the decking industry by value over the past 2 decades. Alternative railings, prefabricated and pre-engineered steel, aluminum, glass, etc., has become a standard in the industry because they are low maintenance, easy to install, and safe. Steel framing has already taken over in many foreign markets, but hasn't grabbed hold yet in the U.S. Right now, 99% of deck framing in the U.S. is still built with wood. But why? In the mid-90s, the decking industry started to shift to more alternative decking materials. In 2002, Fortress came into existence and quickly became a market leader in alternative railing solutions, offering long life, low maintenance, high strength, and they were easy to install. Through the years, Fortress has expanded its lineup and now specializes in alternative railing and fencing systems, and most recently added a bamboo-based composite decking. In 2010, a Colorado deck builder approached Fortress knowing that we were predominantly a metal-based company, and he recommended we investigate a metal framing system to fill the void in the U.S. We listened and began working on a process that led to an awareness that places like Australia and South Africa, for various reasons, had already moved to metal framing systems. The same was needed in North America, and very little had been done to move the market in that direction. Fortress opened an R&D project to develop a steel system that the market would embrace. Fortress started meeting with deck builders and coming up with innovative design ideas for a new steel framing system. It was clear that the market wanted a steel system that is affordable, looks and assembles like wood, and doesn't require an excessive amount of fasteners. The benefits of the Fortress Evolution system is that it's a complete system. We have everything you need to build a steel frame. It has an innovative ledger design that greatly speeds up joist installation. It has significantly less fasteners than other steel framing systems out there. It's designed to look like wood and install like wood. If you can frame with wood, you can frame with Evolution framing. It has G60 galvanized and black powder coating on all parts. It's easy to touch up and it looks great with any decor. It has pre-sized blocking for both the beam and the midspan. It's manufactured in our factories where we have advanced equipment and an expertise in forming and coating steel. After you complete this process, these are some of the benefits you will have as a Evolution preferred builder. You will be listed as one of our preferred builders on our website locator. So when people go to the website and they want to find a builder, they put their zip code in and they pick a particular radius. If you're within that radius, you will pop up as a builder there. We'll give you a certificate for your homeowners. We'll give you this nice black bag that has a piece of each one of our products to show potential customers. We'll offer you literature as well. You'll get priority lead referral, and you'll be included in a photo gallery on our company website. The next evolution in decks, Evolution steel framing. It's straight uniform pieces for the life of the deck without crowning, warping, and cracking. It's a complete framing system with pre-spaced components and minimal fasteners. It's engineered to provide longer spans, resulting in fewer columns and less obstructed views. It's compatible with any brand of composite, PVC, tiles, woods, and tropical hardwoods. It has a 25-year warranty. It's a smart investment. It's beautiful. It's fire and insect resistant, and it's very sustainable. Here's some of our pre-spacing photographs. Our ledger, our beam blocking and mid-span strap come pre-sized for 12-inch and 16-inch spacing for quick and easy installation with minimal fasteners. Warranty. Wood framing on average lasts 10 to 20 years. Evolution framing is designed to last at least that long, or as long as your composite decking, which typically has 25 years or more. Here's an example of the cost you can save over a lifetime. You will notice that if you go with a traditional deck, it'll last only so many years down the road. Let's say maybe 10, or to 12, and you have to tear it down and reinstall and build again. You can see if you factor that into the lifetime of the deck, how it doubles the cost over the lifetime. It's aesthetically beautiful. Here's different pictures of our decking with our composite deck, and you can see that it looks good with just about any color. It's a wonderful looking product. It's more sustainable than steel. It's more sustainable than wood. Wood is single use, while 90% of all steel is recycled. Recycling steel requires less energy than what it originally took to make it. Recycling steel does not degrade its quality, so it can be recycled over and over. Wood is a renewable resource, but most people don't take into account that it can take decades for trees to mature. Sustainability and renewability are completely different. Let's go over some product information. Ledger and ledger bracket. These are our ledgers. They are available already pre-punched for 12-inch on center and 16-inch on center. And then you can get a blank non-punch for custom widths. Ledgers are available in 12-foot and 20-foot lengths. You can see the 45-degree bracket that you can use for the ends. And then the ledger bracket, which we'll show you in a minute how it installs from behind. You have the beam, track, and cap. Evolution beams are 2 inches by 11 inches. They're available in 8, 12, 16, and 20-foot lengths. We have a double beam track that is used to attach the two beams together for greater spans. The double beam track come in 4-foot lengths, and they're sold in pairs. Joist, 2x6 joists are available in 16-gauge black powder-coated or 18-gauge G90 galvanized. The joist lengths are 12-foot, 14, 16, 18, and 20-foot. And they have a nice cap available as well. Post and post brackets. The double beam to post bracket, the single beam to post bracket, and the post to pier bracket are all available for whatever your job requires. Posts are available in 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch, and they come in 10-foot lengths. Here's our rim joist. They come in 8-foot lengths. They come already pre-punched for 12-inch and 16-inch on center. They come blank for custom. And we also have a curved rim joist that allows you to curve to whatever particular radius that your job requires. And then there's a bracket for that situation as well. Blocking. Our beam blocking is available in 12-inch and 16-inch on center. It's used as blocking above the drop beam. We have a mid-span strap that's available in 12-inch and 16-inch on center. It comes in 4-foot lengths. It's used as blocking at the mid-spans. Here are some of our brackets for different reasons, for different usages. F50 bracket, F10 bracket, single hanger bracket for flush beam situations, double hanger bracket for double joist on flush beam situations. Let's talk more about that ledger and ledger bracket. This was an innovative design that we came up with. where you would just install the ledger bracket into the back of the ledger, no fasteners required. And then you attach the ledger to the structure with code-approved fasteners. So from the other side, you can see then you would just slide your joist over the ledger bracket and attach with just one screw per side. So very few screws required as well. A F50 bracket is used at the edge of the ledger. Rim joist attachment from the front side will slide over the pre-punched holes, and then you can also, from the rear view, use the F50 bracket to attach the end joist. Here's our stair system that's becoming available now. It's very nice. We've reduced the number of fasteners, stringers, and install time. There's two preset rise-run stair brackets, a 7-inch by 11-inch and a 7 3/4 by 11-inch. Stair brackets install easily with 2x6 joist. Evolution 48-inch trays attached to the stair brackets, and the trays provide blocking for 2-inch and 3-inch post. And then you just would use whatever tread would go on top of the stair tray. Span tables and technical data. Engineered TER span tables are available. Wet stamps available for code approval by third-party engineering firm. When you have a takeoff, please send it to takeoffs@fortressframing.com. And a estimator will be getting back with you after you do that with estimated time of when that will be ready. Let's go over some best practices. Cut all members away from the home in concrete slabs to avoid leaving metal shavings. Use a ferrous metal saw blade. You can cut Evolution steel framing with a circular saw, bandsaw, reciprocating saw, a chop or cold saw with a grinding blade. Make sure to remove all metal shavings from inside the joist and beams. Spray all your cut ends with recommended touch-up paint, either our Fortress black sand touch-up paint or some sort of Rust-Oleum textured matte black. Make sure that the joist and beams are installed with the weep holes facing down. And now we are going to go watch a video. Installation video. Okay, you can see here on our website, if you go to fortressframing.com and go to our installation and warranty section on the website, you will see you can download a product catalog. You can view that installation video like we just did, and you can also look at into warranties that we have for our different parts as well. We also have our installation instructions, which is a very thorough 57 pages of detailed installation instructions that I really encourage you to go through this and read. If you have any questions, this goes step by step on how to install a deck as well. Thank you for joining us for the webinar today, and I hope you have a good day.